What do you want to do throughout your lifetime? Experiences, places to see, vacations, hobbies, activities, things that you want to do. Travel the world, but you don't want regrets when that happens. When that happens and you get to say, okay, I did this. What do those things include where you're going, yeah, cool, very good. What do you want to do? Let me ask you this. Why? Is there a difference in saying I want to do 3 out-of-country trips versus being specific on where you want to go? We have to make sure that it is specific in what it's doing. Because if we can't see it, if we can't touch it, feel it, look at it and visualize a specific place that we want to go, how does it become an emotional attachment? How does it really get to the why of what you're doing and why you're doing it to drive you to achieve whatever it is? Right? That make sense?